Akshaya Tritiya. Invite ever-growing abundance and wealth blessings on Akshaya Tritiya 2025. Super Grand 16 Priests, installation and invocation of Goddess Navadanya Mahalakshmi. Akshaya Tritiya is the celestial power time of non-diminishing wealth and prosperity. Akshaya means never decreasing, and Tritiya is the third moon phase of unstoppable growth, success, and financial fortune. This year, three extraordinary wealth-boosting cosmic alignments amplify Akshaya Tritiya's prosperity-bestowing potential to dissolve financial blockages and attract ever-growing wealth consciousness and abundance. Astroveds 10,092 Akshaya Tritiya 2025. Ceremonies include a super grand installation of abundance, bestowing Navadanya Mahalakshmi, an invocation of supreme wealth archetypes to dissolve financial limitations and for divine wealth vibrations and ever-growing abundance. Super Grand 16 Priest Navadanya Mahalakshmi Invocation. Navadanya Mahalakshmi, a unique manifestation of wealth goddess Mahalakshmi, is revered as Prakriti, embodying nature, Varalakshmiyai, granter of bounty, Prasadabhimukhyai, the blessings bestower, Sarvaroga Vivajita, who cures ailments, Pushtayai, the source of vitality and health, crafted from the 9 grains, Navadanyam, each carrying a Navagraha, 9 planets blessing. Her invocation can align you with nature's abundance and unlock wealth, health, nourishment, wisdom, victory, and happiness blessings. Astroveds statue installation and empowerment ceremonies by Vedic priests feature Ayuta Nama Archana 1 lakh times, Om Danya Mahalakshmi chanting for goddess's supreme abundance, Sacred Kumkum vermilion, and Swarna gold coins puja to attract prosperity and power. Grand 16 Priest Prosperity Enhancing Fire Lab. To Dana Akashini Danya Mahalakshmi, a rare Vedic hymn empowered Homa, invoking wealth, attracting Danya Mahalakshmi for riches and fortune. Wealth blessings of Navadhanya Mahalakshmi installation and invocation. Navadhanya Mahalakshmi invocation can enable steady money flow, opportunities, material and spiritual advancement. Give health and nourishment. Help overcome challenges. Progress in profession and business ventures. Realize goals and succeed. Ease karmic burdens. Enhance intellect, insights, and higher consciousness. Support harmonious relationships and social respect. Safeguard assets, energy, and prosperity. Encourage expansion and stability. Promote joy, happiness, fulfillment, and peace. Navadhanyam. The 9 cosmic grains bestow 9-fold prosperity blessings. Each grain corresponds to a planetary force and bestows wheat, sun, wealth of authority, vitality, and leadership. Paddy rice, moon, wealth of compassion, abundance, and positivity. Pigeon's pea, Mars, wealth of success, goal attainment, and good relationships. Green gram, Mercury, wealth of intelligence, prudence, and growth. Bengal gram, Jupiter, wealth of wisdom, knowledge, and clarity. White beans, Venus, wealth of luxury, beauty, and abundance. Black sesame, Saturn, wealth of progress, growth, and stability. Black gram, Rahu, wealth of time, expansion, and wish fulfillment. Horse gram, Ketu, wealth of spirituality and inner peace. 3 extraordinary Akshaya Tritiya 2025 astrological alignments for maximum wealth gains. Exalted Sun in Aries, Moon in Taurus, and Venus in Pisces can magnify divine radiance, success, luxury, leadership, influence, and financial security. Jupiter Moon, Gaja Kesari, Yoga in Taurus can bestow wisdom, financial intelligence, wealth, clarity, leadership skills, charisma, success, prosperity, and fortune. Jupiter in Taurus and Venus in Pisces form Jupiter Venus Parivartana, Yoga. This exchange can create a cosmic force for wealth energy, divine wisdom, opportunities, financial abundance, prosperity consciousness, and spiritual evolution.